If you are a beginner on pocket option and you are looking for a simple strategy, this video is for you. No complicated indicators, no fast trading, just one indicator and clear rules. This is a beginner strategy, not a get-rich-quick system. Before we start, you need to understand one thing. This strategy will not win every trade. Losses are part of trading. Our goal is not to win every trade, but our goal is trade with logic and discipline. This strategy uses only one indicator, exponential moving average. EMA helps us see the trend, and beginners always should trade only with trend. Go to Indicators, choose Moving Average, type EMA, period 50, color, any color you like, and that's it. Do not add anything else. Now, let me explain the logic. When the price is above the EMA, the trend is bullish, and when the price is below the EMA, the trend is bearish. We do not trend against the trend. Above EMA, only call, and below EMA, only put. Let's start with the call trade. Price is above EMA 50, market moves in a clear trend, price comes back close to EMA, new candle starts in trend direction. We don't enter on the middle of nowhere, we wait for price to pull back. Price is below EMA 50, downtrend is clear, price pulls back to EMA, now candle goes down. Same logic, just opposite direction. This strategy is designed for beginners, so we keep it slow. Time frame 1 minute. Expiration 1 to 2 minutes. We don't trade 5 or 15 seconds. Speed kills beginner accounts. Now let me show you a real example. Price is above EMA, trend is bullish, price pulls back, we wait, new candle goes up, we enter call. No rush, no emotions, just rules. Most beginners lose with this strategy because they break the rules. Trading against EMA, entering too late, overtrading, trading during flat market. If the market is flat, do nothing. This is a simple one indicator strategy for beginners. Master this first. Don't jump from strategy to strategy. If this video helped you, like and subscribe. And comment below, do you prefer complex or simple strategies?